Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JJ Slays. How y'all doing today? So today I'm bringing you guys a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a twist out on my second day wash and go. You know, my wash and goes don't last very long because I don't know what it is. They just don't last very long no matter what products I use. And this wash and go was so freaking bomb. I just tried Uncle Funky's daughter. Amazing miracles on my hair. I have never seen my hair not only moist but defined and shiny without using oil. I did not use a bit of oil. Like, not one time have I used oil in the past since I washed my hair Sunday. I have not used any oil in my hair. I didn't even use oil on that day. My hair is moist. It's very shiny. The curl pattern is ridiculous. Like, today I rocked the puff because, you know, after a few days my hair just be looking crazy. Like, I don't know what it is. I can't maintain it. I guess it's because it's not long enough that it doesn't maintain long enough. But I mean, it grew so much, so I can't even complain about the length because I cut it all off in August. It's like, I need a fresh start. My hair needs a fresh start. It needs to be healthy, and now it's super healthy. So I've been just twisting it out, doing wash and goes once a week, deep conditioning, really taking care of my hair. But let me tell you that Uncle Funky's daughter does some good old justice in my hair. So if you are struggling to find a product, and I've struggled, but I found like a few staples that really work in my hair, like the one I'm using in today's video. I'm going to be using Eden Body Works new line. I'm using the Nourishing Curl Jam, and it smells like freaking, it just smells so heavenly. It makes no sense. That includes Papaya and Castor oil. Their line is amazing. That's one of the only lines that works very well in my hair. And their hair tonic for the nutrient part of my hair, because I need my hair. I want to have this twist out last until Saturday, you know, because it's very hard to do my hair during the week. So I want to keep it till about Saturday. But these two products are phenomenal. Their whole line, every time they come out with a new line, I go and buy it. I love Eden Body Works. I've always supported it for years. I just love their product. From the OG coconut, I've been a fan. Like, it works amazing in my hair, and it smells great. My hair's always moisturized. There's other lines that work really well, but I'll get into that in another video. So let's get into this video. So guys, this is the finished look. The twists are nice and like shiny and they're juicy, and I love this style because it can last you for one night if you want, or it can last you up to a week if you can. My hair is so soft that it probably won't last me more than like 2 days, but we will see. The products have my hair smelling like the freaking tropical jungle. Like, I don't even know, it just smells so freaking good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. Tell me how you guys like this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at JJ Slays, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.